I received this weekend my very first drone. I'm super excited, and I put a lot of effort into researching exactly which drone I wanted to purchase, and you know, I was taking into consideration all the typical things like flight time, battery time, image quality, portability, all that, and I had basically landed on the DJI Mavic Pro, and was essentially ready to hit the purchase button on Amazon when the announcement came out that they were making the Mavic Air, which was a game changer for me. So I really had to take a step back, and I ended up waiting a couple weeks longer than I really wanted to purchase a drone. I did in the end decide to go with Mavic Air for a number of reasons. So this video is going to be me unboxing my Mavic Air, and hopefully we'll be headed up to the mountains today to take my first flight and check out some of the first footage that I take. We'll see if I have time for it. Might have to do it tomorrow. But without further ado, let's open a package. Okay, the first package, not quite as exciting. It's the 2 batteries, which is exciting because I'll get to fly for 3 times as long now, but not why you guys are here, not for extra batteries. Without further ado, oh, losing stuff already. Oh. So, what's in the box? First of all, we've got the drone, much heavier than I was expecting it to be. The package that I purchased came with some VR goggles. I don't really know how they work. I don't know if I have to put my smartphone in it or what. This feels like some sort of lighting accessory. Ultimax accessories, there's no limits. I'm really gonna have to read the instruction manual because I have no idea what this is, but I'm excited to find out. Range extender for Mavic. Remote control sunshade hood. A backpack, a carrying case for it, and a screen cleaner. Packing slip. Alright, I guess that's all that's in there. I feel like I should also open up this right now in front of the camera because this probably has other goodies in it. They child-proofed this. Here it is. Ready? That's it! That's it! It's so tiny! Wow. Packs down to that. How do I release those? Oh! Unfold the rear arms downwards. They flip around. That's pretty fancy. There it is. Fully expanded. That is the size of the Mavic Air. There it is. Easily fits in the palm of my hand. People are talking about putting it in their pockets. I think my pants are a little too tight to put in my pocket. The entire drone fits in this. If you wore those old lady sunglasses with the things on the side, this would be the sunglass case for it. What else is in this box? Something else. They don't want me to find it. Mavic Air instructions. It's like instructions, propeller guards. Wow, these are... Everything was packed in here so perfectly and then I ruined it. Here's the controller. I'm guessing somehow this expands. Ah! Ooh. And that's presumably where my smartphone goes. Oh, that's probably gonna be out of focus for you. Pretty easy. And there's still more to come here. Silica gel so nothing gets all moist. Here is a charger, a charging cable, maybe charging cord, more charging accessories. They really want us to be fully charged here. That's it, Mavic Air. I'm gonna read the instructions. That's not very exciting to do on camera, and then I will take it up to the mountains and fly it, provided the instructions don't take me all day. Alright, so this is my first flight of my Mavic Air. I'm really nervous about it. I'm terrified that I'm going to crash it, but gotta do it, so let's do it. It's cold. I forget how to turn it on. Oh! Okay, it's on. Lights and noises. I still gotta set up the remote. I read the manual once. Okay, this is gonna be out of focus, but it's working now. What do I do? Set max flight distance 480 meters. Let's go further. We're gonna go further. Let's go 750. Oh wait. Oh. 750. Okay, I finally think we're ready. That took forever. I'm so frustrated. Okay, here we go.
Oh.